Welcome to the best picks. The best Taotao 50 cubic centimeters parts is probably one of the most sought-after upgrades for owners of these popular and economical scooters, offering a blend of performance enhancement, durability improvements, and customization options to truly make your ride your own. This video will dive deep into the essential components, helping you navigate the world of Taotao 50 cubic centimeters scooter parts and make informed decisions for your next upgrade or repair. Number 5. HIAORS GY6 Fuel Pump. This fuel pump is designed for GY6 50 cubic centimeters to 150 cubic centimeters engines. It's a reliable replacement for your scooter, ATV, or motorcycle. It features 2 fuel ports for optimal fuel delivery. This ensures consistent performance and prevents fuel starvation. With a 6.5 mm bolt hole diameter, it's designed for easy installation. Simply replace your old fuel pump and get back on the road. It's compatible with most GY6 50 cubic centimeters to 150 cubic centimeters engines, including popular brands like RUTU, SUNL, and Taotao. Check your current pump size to ensure compatibility. The package includes one GY6 vacuum fuel pump petcock. Everything you need for a quick and easy replacement is right here. Before purchasing, please double-check the dimensions to ensure it's the right fit for your vehicle. This will guarantee a perfect fit and proper function. What we like. It has 2 fuel ports and a 6.5 mm hole, ensuring a perfect fit for most GY6 engines. Installation is straightforward. If you need a reliable and easy-to-install fuel pump, this is the one for you. What people say. It works great. I have purchased this vacuum fuel pump for several mini bikes, Chinese scooters, and even few custom-built go-karts and mini motorcycles. I have not had one fail me yet. Identical to the original except this one worked. I've installed this on my 13K mile Bentelli Sprint 50 cubic centimeters with an 80 cubic centimeters Big Bore Kit, and it definitely made it a bit peppier, runs a lot smoother now. Number 4. GY6 Fuel Filter Kit. This kit provides everything you need for a complete fuel system refresh. It's designed for a perfect fit and reliable performance. It's compatible with most GY6 50 cubic centimeters to 150 cubic centimeters scooters, ensuring a seamless installation. No more compatibility worries. The kit includes a durable fuel hose, precisely 98 to 100 centimeters long, and a reliable vacuum fuel pump. It's built to last. The filter is made from high-quality materials to prevent cracking and ensure smooth fuel flow. Secure spring clips prevent leaks. You get 1 blue hose, 3 fuel filters, 1 fuel pump, and 6 spring clips. Plus, extra filters and clips are included for future needs. We stand behind our product. Contact us for assistance or a replacement if you encounter any issues. What we like. This kit includes a fuel filter, hose, and fuel pump, providing a comprehensive solution. The design prevents leaks, and it even comes with spare parts. If you value convenience and worry-free maintenance, this is your best choice. What people say. Fuel pump pumps, filters filter, and the tubing is easier to work with than the normal hard rubber stuff. Came with everything necessary to install on my moped. High quality and fast delivery. The tubing is great for vac lines. Also used one of the fuel filters. Works just fine. I haven't had any leaks from the filter. Number 3. RUTU 69mm GY6 Big Bore Kit. This kit is designed for scooters with 139 QMB, 49 cubic centimeters, and 50 cubic centimeters GY6 engines. It will significantly boost your scooter's performance. It comes with a 50 mm cylinder block, increasing displacement to 90 cubic centimeters. Experience enhanced horsepower and torque for quicker acceleration. It includes a racing AC CDI and a 7TC spark plugs for optimal ignition. These parts are built to deliver reliable performance. The piston rings are made from alloy, the piston from aluminum, and the cylinder from strong steel. It's built to last. Installation is simple with the included detailed instruction manual. You'll be up and running in no time. We're confident in its quality. It comes with a 1-year replacement warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. It significantly increases your scooter's horsepower and speed. Installation is simple, and it's built to last. If you're looking for a performance upgrade that's easy to install, this is it. What people say. No problem with the install, had it done in a couple hours, and this was my first BBK install. My 49 cubic centimeters GY6 was topping out at 35 miles per hour, now it goes 48 miles per hour on flat land no problem. Takeoff and hills are light years better as well. Worked perfectly first install. Everything fit to specs on my 50 cubic centimeters 139 QMB block. I ride every day, and have put over 2k miles on it with no issues. Installed 1 on long case Peace Sports, 2 on short case Peace Sport. Upgraded from 50 cubic centimeters to 100 cubic centimeters, talk about speed. Number 2. HIAORS GY6 Ignition Set. This high-quality replacement part is perfect for your scooter or moped. It's easy to install and comes with everything you need for a quick and reliable fix. It fits a wide range of 49 cubic centimeters and 50 cubic centimeters scooters and mopeds. Check the listing to ensure it's compatible with your specific model. This set includes the ignition switch, 2 keys, a seat lock, a panel lock, a gas cap, and a metal bracket. Everything you need in one convenient package. It's designed for easy installation, with a simple plug-and-play design. No special tools or expertise are required. It's made from durable, high-quality materials to ensure long-lasting performance and reliability. It's built to withstand daily use and the elements. The ignition switch features a 3-position switch, on, off, and lock. This provides added security for your vehicle. Before ordering, carefully check all the pictures and sizes in the listing to ensure it's the correct product for your scooter or moped. Make sure it's the right fit for a smooth installation. What we like. This set includes an ignition switch, seat lock, gas cap, and keys, offering a comprehensive security upgrade. It fits many scooter models. If you need a reliable and versatile security system, this is the perfect option. What people say. Had older moped and a shop where it was purchased claimed they no longer could get this ignition switch. Found it on Amazon and moped is still running up and down the road. Good product for the price. Easy to install. The ignition switch and seat lock still work great. Number 1. 139 QMB carburetor for 50cc scooters. It fits most Chinese-made 4-stroke 50 cubic centimeter scooters and ATVs. This includes popular brands like Taotao, Kimco, and more. It's perfect for your 49 cubic centimeters, 50 cubic centimeters, or even 80 cubic centimeters 4-stroke scooter. It will give your engine a boost. It features an upgraded jet for better starting, idling, and overall performance. It's a great replacement for your old carburetor. The intake manifold has an inner diameter of 18 mm and an outer diameter of 28 mm. It also includes a 2-pin male electric choke and an accelerator pump. We offer a 365-day warranty, so you can buy with confidence. Contact us if you have any issues. What we like. It features an 18 mm carburetor for optimal fuel delivery and comes with a 365-day warranty. It's a high-quality replacement that will make your engine run smoothly. If you want a reliable and long-lasting carburetor, this is the one to choose. What people say. Perfect fit for my Chinese-made 50 cubic centimeter scooter. Easy install, came with everything I needed. My scooter that I pushed in the corner and let it sit for over a year started right up with fresh gas. Quick and easy replacement for Taotao 50 scooter carburetor. Carburetor is easy to access by removing 4 bolts and 1 screw under seat and pulling entire seat bucket out, exposing carburetor. Carburetor is held in by 2 hose clamps only. Really simple, works great. Finally got scooter running after replacing cylinder head and ignition system to discover clogged idle check circuit on the carburetor. Decided to replace 20-year-old carburetor with a new one, works perfect. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.